Mount Harriet is located in Port Blair, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, India. It holds historical significance as it was the headquarters of the British officer during their occupation of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the 19th century. The mountain offers stunning panoramic views of the surrounding islands and the Bay of Bengal. Mount Harriet also holds importance for its biodiversity. It is home to a variety of flora and fauna, including several endemic species. The mountain is part of the Mount Harriet National Park, which is known for its diverse ecosystem and rich wildlife. Visitors to Mount Harriet can also enjoy trekking and birdwatching. The mountain offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life, making it a popular destination for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts. Overall, Mount Harriet holds great importance for its historical, cultural, and natural significance. It is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Port Blair and offers a unique opportunity to explore the beauty of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. You can reach Mount Harriet by taking a ferry from Port Blair to either Phoenix Bay Jetty or Chatham Jetty, and then drive around 40 kilometers to reach Mount Harriet. The journey to Mount Harriet involves traveling through lush forests and scenic landscapes, making it a picturesque and enjoyable experience.